got the second pickings on the maters. We got 18 pounds this time. They're small. These are the early birds. But we're going to make some more sauce with them. We made 7 pounds of sauce, or 7 gallons of sauce last time. So we're going to get some more sauce going, and we just love it here. It's Mother Nature at its best. Grow your own and make your own. How you doing? One of the tricks are to put vegetable oil, or olive oil in the bottom of your pan there before you start making your sauce, and then usually any meats you put in there won't stick, but this will probably be a meatless one. We used the homegrown garlic also. I just put a piece in my mouth, man. She's nice and strong. We didn't get a lot of it, but we grow and we use what we use what we grow. If I didn't say that already. Oh yeah. We are boiling down the tomatoes, releasing them from their skins. How you doing? This is batch number 2. We had another sauce out there. You'll see that video. The grandkids made it, actually. Did a nice job. So we're boiling this down. The wife is doing this. She's out here cooking up all the storm here. I'm picking hops yet. So yeah, we're getting the hops picked in that. And there's still a few left over to make a nice little salad here. And we still got a ton of them are still growing there. We'll get one more picking. We'll make salsa probably out of the next batch. These are the onions, the garlic, the mushrooms, chives, fresh oreganos, all the goodies, goody. The wife is straining all the skins right now. Sometimes that's a pain in the butt. But we love making our own sauce here. Or at least I love watching her make it. I helped on the last batch, so. But there's your goodies that go into it finally. This is going to be a meatless one, I do believe, because you can always add meatballs. That's just one of those good ones. So here's the end result of that sauce, almost 2.5 gallons maybe. She's boiling away with all those mushrooms, onions, and homemade garlic and homegrown garlic. So this is just a different sauce than the one you'll see on the other video where the grandkids helped, where we made the 7 gallons. But we love making our own stuff here. And we'll just boil the skins down over here a little bit more. Get some more paste out of them, some more flavor, and squish them out later, add it to it. It's going to be all good. But for now, look what she's got me cooking for dinner. Thanks, Mrs. Stoneyard.
You're welcome.
So how do I carry all this out here?
Just like that.
And this is going to go on the big green egg, so a little chicken, why wouldn't we? So there she is. We're going to do 3 ears of corn, 1 huge potato, and a chicken. What a day today, picking tomatoes. We made sauce, and of course I picked some more hops. There we go. She looks like she's cooking up nice now. The brown skin a little bit. Give it another 15 minutes, and I think we're good to go. But here's the picking today was the some good green bell peppers, banana peppers. These are the banana peppers from this many. We'll show you when we we cut these open, and we'll stuff them really nice. We'll stuff them really nice with some good filling. Look at that bee wants to go in my beer. He just did. He's going to drown himself. That's a good shot. Huh, he likes my homebrew. I'll be a son of a gun. Why wouldn't he? So yeah, we just picked those. So it's only 4, but we will put them to good use when we get them in the oven with the stuffing and stuff that the wife uses. So there's the rest of the garden from the distance. Got the 2 owls protecting the grapes. A couple spinners there, a couple CDs hanging there, and yeah, it's a good thing to grow stuff by yourself. Of course, this is the end of the season over here. Things are starting to fall apart. I got horseradish coming in like crazy, and we usually make a ton of horseradish, and we give that away to family members and friends for Christmas, and they say, "Holy cow!" He said, "This is some hot shit." It is. That's good horseradish. Dang good horseradish. We're just sitting out here under the umbrella in case it rains. Gotta pick a lot of hops again, like I said. This is the end of the season there. The basil's coming in really good down there. I got some hot peppers if they ever grow. We'll see what happens there. Got a lot of beer cans on the ground. Those are the wife's. Those aren't mine. Well, yeah, that's the wife's beer cans. Why wouldn't it be? So yeah, I got a mess here too. We got to clean up before winter. Mess of tomatoes over there yet. And, oh boy, just a lot of stuff. A lot of fun. So what we got here is oh boy, we had 3 peppers from the garden. We cut them up. One started to go bad, so we put it in with the mix. And here's the sausage. It's Italian sausage. Onions, a little pepper, a little garlic, little spices, salt, pepper. The wife puts in her special ingredients. And then she'll fill it with cream cheese and cheddar cheese. It don't have to look pretty, but they taste good. Just wanted to show you folks what they look like before they go in, and maybe get another picture before they go in the oven. But they might not come out pretty, but they're dang good. That's what she looks like before she goes in the oven. That's breadcrumbs and cream cheese and whatnot on top of the peppers, and boy, they're going to be very tasty when they come out. The peppers are out, a little overflow, but boy, it looked beautiful when it went in, and it's tasty, going to be good in their stomach when it comes out. And the chicken. I don't know if I even showed the chicken we cooked there on the big green egg. I was like, why wouldn't I? Well, it's time to eat. The peppers look awesome. Got done picking all the hops today.
Corn.
The rest of the hops were picked, so we're happy. And we got some corn, a couple ears of corn we made. Some nice, lovely salad. So, and then I got a bottle, 26 bottles of wine probably tomorrow. Never ending here.